Now, if someone hits your car tonight, will you clearly see their license plate or just headlights and blur? Today, we're testing the WOLFBOX G900 Pro Mirror Dashcam, a 4K front plus 2.5K rear mirror dashcam, powered by the Sony IMX678 8 megapixel sensor. And we're putting it through the real-world day driving, night driving, reversing, and parking mode. And of course, the Wi-Fi speed tests. I'm also uploading this in full 4K so you can judge the footage yourself. Let's test it. Now let's go ahead and open this box, which is the WOLFBOX G900 Pro Mirror Dashcam. It has a 12-inch full touch screen mirror display. (4K front camera, 2.5K rear camera, IMX678 8 megapixel sensor, 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi, voice control, parking monitoring, and reverse assistance. Now let's start with daytime clarity. Now this is true 4K front recording powered by the Sony IMX678 8 megapixel sensor. Now you can clearly see here the license plates, road signs, lane markings, texture on the vehicles, and sky exposure balance, even in backlit situations. Now dynamic range here is super strong, details remain sharp, and no blowout highlights. That's the benefit of the IMX678 sensor. Now here is where most dashcams fail: night driving. Now this is the 4K front footage at night. Pay attention to headlight control here, shadow details, plate readability, and noise levels. Now, let's switch to the rear 2.5K footage. In my opinion, this is where it actually gets impressive. The G900 Pro clearly captures the vehicles approaching from behind, brake lights, street signs as well, and even plate clarity in low light. And this is exactly what the brand emphasizes: superior night vision for confident night driving. Now, even in low light and challenging lighting conditions, it captures scene detail. That's real safety. Now, here's how this actually helps me daily. This helps me a lot when someone tailgates me aggressively. The rear camera captures everything in 2.5K. This helps me as well when someone cuts into my lane suddenly. The 4K front records the plate and movement. This helps me a lot in parking spaces that are tight. You can switch to rear view or split screen instantly on the 12-inch display. Now, this one time when I had to leave my car overnight outside, the 24-hour parking monitoring keeps recording key footage. Now, this is not just about accidents, it's about your protection. It's also great for if you need evidence and, of course, peace of mind. Now, this is the big upgrade. Most dashcams use 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, around 2 megabytes per second. This uses 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi up to 8 megabytes per second. That's actually 4 times faster transfer speed. Now let's go ahead and test it. As you can see here, footage transfers noticeably faster. No waiting forever in your driveway. Now you can download footage to your phone anytime using the app, which makes it super practical. Now let's go ahead and test the voice control here. Instead of reaching up while driving, you can use voice control commands to manage basic functions, Lock the video. Turn on Wi-Fi. Turn off Wi-Fi. Now the 12-inch touchscreen feels like upgrading your rear view mirror into a smart display. A lot of people actually notice this when they ride with me, and they love it how I can switch from front to rear instantly. You can use split screen. You can adjust the brightness as well and navigate menus very smoothly. Touch responsiveness is fast and intuitive. So what's the verdict here? The WOLFBOX G900 Pro mirror dashcam is built for drivers who want real 4K clarity, people who care about night plate capture, anyone who wants faster Wi-Fi transfers, drivers who want voice control convenience, and people who want full front and rear protection. It checks every box in my opinion, especially the night performance. That's the standout feature if you ask me. Now, if you want a full front 4K and rear 2.5K protection with superior night clarity, click the link in the description to check out the WOLFBOX G900 Pro mirror dashcam. I believe you need to protect yourself, protect your car, drive with confidence. And make sure to watch this video in full 4K resolution so you can judge the footage quality for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!